How to use FPC Life Insurance Finland properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. FPC Life Insurance Finland is designed to protect your loved ones financially, yet many policyholders make mistakes that limit its effectiveness. You won't believe how small errors can have significant consequences. One of the most common mistakes is selecting the wrong policy type. FPC offers term life insurance for fixed periods and whole life insurance for lifelong coverage with savings growth. Choosing incorrectly can leave gaps in protection or result in higher premiums than necessary. Underestimating coverage needs is another frequent problem. Life insurance should cover mortgages, personal debts, daily living costs, and future obligations like children's education or retirement. Without adequate coverage, your family could face financial hardship in the event of your death. Failing to update beneficiaries is another critical misstep. Life changes such as marriage, divorce, or having children require reviewing your policy. Ignoring this can delay payouts or create disputes over who receives the benefits. Optional riders are often overlooked. FPC provides additional protections, including critical illness coverage, disability benefits, and accident insurance. These can offer crucial financial support when life throws unexpected challenges your way. Lastly, many policyholders don't fully understand permanent policy features like cash accumulation and loan access. Reviewing your policy periodically ensures you're aware of how premiums accumulate, growth potential, and tax implications. To get the most from FPC Life Insurance Finland, choose the right type of coverage, ensure adequate protection, update beneficiaries, consider optional riders, and review your policy regularly. Following these steps guarantees your insurance delivers real financial security when your family needs it most.